Hi, I'm Ben Callis, one of the co-founders of Lorica. I wanted to walk you through the professional side of the platform. That's how you set up your profile, manage your licenses and credentials, and share that information across companies. Right now, most people handle that across a mix of LinkedIn and text threads, WhatsApp, emails, word of mouth, which works, but not very well in time-sensitive environments, and it's a pretty fragmented experience. So Lorica is designed to give you a more structured way to manage your profile and to make it usable across different companies and opportunities. So let me show you how it works. All right, so we're just going to hit the most important aspects of the platform in this video. This accounts for a fictional dude named Elijah. And when he goes in, first thing he sees, he's able to just get a snapshot of the status of his credentials that he's uploaded so far. He's also able to look at the companies that he works with that are on the platform. So you can just dive into each one of these if we want to, and I can do that here. But the most important aspect of the platform for professionals is building out your profile. And so Elijah's already put in a headshot, and he's got one additional full body shot. Identity and role hasn't really started filling out. So it's like professional bio, got skills, background. These are all security specific skills. Work history, education, languages, things like that. Could be lots to type out if you already have a resume. So if you already have a resume, you've made it easy where Elijah can just go in and drop in a resume, and AI is going to just read it and figure out where it ought to go within his profile. So let's give this a second to parse this resume. All right. So once that's parsed, it's going to show him a preview of what it found. So like location, Austin, cool, bio, yep, good enough. Let's throw that in. Okay, apply that, and poof. I'm gonna hit save. It's got its location in there, contact info. Throw in a couple of skills. Could add a couple more. So let's do EP travel. Put on like post protection for good measure. Work history is all in there. Good, good, cool. All right. So that's looking good. Next part, credentials. This part actually differentiates Lorica from anything else that's out there because we've put a lot of time and thought into one, how do you efficiently track credentials, but also how do you make it so that you stop having to update everyone you work for every time you get a new credential, something changes, new license, a new cert, whatever it is. Everyone that is connected with you on this platform can see that update in real time. So, first of all, it's not just licenses. You can put in a whole bunch of other stuff. You can create custom credentials and upload documents to prove that it's real. So, Texas, we got, let's see, what else we got? Florida, he's got a class G. Doesn't have a class D, so let's throw that in. You can just search for it. So, Florida, class D, there we go. It's going to already fill in some of the info here, but it's also going to require him to put a photo in so employers know that it's real and they can check it for audit purposes. So if he goes in, you can snap a photo with your phone. I'm just going to drag and drop a file in here and give AI a second to read it and fill in some of the stuff. So it's not going to know immediately what your license number is, issue date, expiration date, but reads it, puts it in, save. Huzzah. Now it's in. And it's expired. Good quick check for you. And what that does is, it's probably going to delete that and put a new one in, but this is building a profile that everyone can see update in real time as you make changes to it. You can put on endorsements. Your connections on the platform can leave endorsements for you, and you can do the same for those you know, which is immediate credibility and separation from the crowd as you're applying to jobs and work. And what we're about to add is going to be a little button up here to allow you to securely share this profile with an email address. It's not just a public link that can just get blasted out all over the internet. When you share this, only the person that you intended to receive it is going to be able to access that link. And there's a lot more coming. We're going to be looking to facilitate hiring as we bring more companies onto the platform. There's going to be a whole separate video for companies and what they can do. And as things change and update, we'll put out additional videos. But now is a good time to go in, start building out your profile, start building out your network, and get ready for those additional features that are coming. Until then, stay safe out there, and looking forward to seeing you on the network.